Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make creamy Cajun sausage and shrimp pasta. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to get started by adding my sausage to the skillet, and I'm going to cook it until it's browned on both sides. And I am using chicken andouille sausage because I really like these, but you can use regular andouille sausage, you can use hot sausage, or any sausage that you can get your hands on. Now I'm just going to remove all of my sausage and place them on a paper towel lined plate so that I can get started on cooking my shrimp. So I did use about a pound of shrimp for this recipe, and I tossed it in a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Now if Cajun seasoning or Creole seasoning is a little bit too spicy for you, you can always sub this out. You can use Old Bay seasoning, or you can use salt and pepper. Once my shrimp is cooked, then I place them on the same plate that I have the sausage prepared on, and then I'll go ahead and take my celery, onion, and bell pepper, and I'll go ahead and saute that in the same skillet that we use from the shrimp and the sausage, and I'll add a little bit of Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning once again, as well as salt and pepper. So I saute my vegetables for about 5 minutes before I toss in my minced garlic and a little bit of tomato paste. And then I'm just going to cook this for about another minute or so, and then I'll toss in all of my mushrooms, and again I season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're just going to make a little bit of roux, so I'll have a little bit of butter, and I'm going to toss in a little bit of flour, and we're going to allow this mixture to cook for another couple of minutes, and then I'm going to deglaze this with white wine, y'all. It's just so delicious. The white wine really adds another layer of flavor and aromatics to this dish. Once I'm done deglazing with white wine, now I'm just going to add in some chicken stock, and I'm just going to whisk this in and allow this mixture to come together and thicken. And honestly guys, you could stop right here and this would be the perfect dish. But that's not what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of half and half, or if you wanted to toss in a little bit of cream, you can do that. I'm using half and half in this dish. And then I'm also going to add in a little bit of cream cheese, fresh herbs, and some Cajun seasoning. So this sauce is going to simmer for about 10 minutes. And so in the meantime, I'll make my pasta. And then once I'm done with that, I'll stir in all of my cheese. So I'm using a little bit of Parmesan cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. Once the cheese is perfectly blended and melted into the sauce, I'll toss in all of my shrimp and my sausage and just mix that into the sauce. And then I'm just going to remove this from the heat and then serve it over our cooked pasta. So now it is time to serve up this pasta. So I'm going to grab myself a pasta bowl, my pasta, and pour all of that sauce on top. Guys, listen, I'm telling you, this pasta is so good. It is creamy, it's spicy, and it's so full of flavor. Yum. That is going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.